Hi everyone, welcome to RAVIMTECHCOMPUTERS. In this session, I am going to explain about software and its internals. And in the upcoming videos and in this video, I will try to cover about system software, application software, and utility software also. Okay. So before going to understand C language, so you should understand some of the basics. Okay. These are the. It is giving the best foundation to understand C language in the better way. Okay. The software is a set of programs which we can see but we cannot touch. So what is software? Software is a set of programs. Set of programs which we can see but we cannot touch. We cannot touch. If you are watching the movie in the computer, you can watch it. You can see with your eyes. You can watch it. You can see with your eyes, but you cannot touch it. Okay, that is called as software only. So in the document, if you open any document in the computer, you can see with your eyes, but you cannot touch physically. Am I correct or not? So that is called as software. Software means it is a set of programs which we can see but we cannot touch. Okay. So it is very important to understand the C language. Before understanding C language, you should know the complete internals about software, system software and application software, so that you will not get any confusion in the C language videos. Okay. Coming to the software, first let me write the complete chart of the software and its categories. Then one by one I will explain. Okay. Coming to the software categories, the very first one is system software. System software. The second one is application software. Application software. The third one is utility software. So coming to the system software, we have the following topics: operating system, device drivers, language processors, or you can say language converters, like a compiler, interpreter, assembler, etc. Okay. So coming to the application software, it was majorly divided into two categories based on the functionality. One is general purpose application software. General purpose application software. And the second one is customized application software. Customized application software. Okay, coming to the utility software, I will explain one by one clearly. Utility software, some of the examples are like antivirus, backup tools, recovery tools. These are used in the databases generally. Recovery tools, disk management tools, disk management tools like disk compression, disk cleaner, okay, etc. Okay, please note it down. I will try to cover the topics one by one. in depth about the internals. Okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, please make a note. So what is a program? Program is nothing but set of instructions. Set of instructions which are used to perform a task. Which are used to do a task. So coming to the program, program is a set of instructions. Set of instructions which are used to do a task. Which are used to do a task. Task means work. So the set of instructions is called as program. Set of programs is called as software. So what is the purpose of program? For example, in the real time, if you want to do any work, we need to follow some systematic steps. For example, you want to eat the food. You are following some of the steps or not? Yes. So what are the steps you are following? So to eating the food is a program. So if you want to finish this program, you need to follow some of the steps. First one, basic steps I am writing just to make you better understanding. Okay, first one, step 1 is wash your hands. Step 2 is, take the plate. Take the plate. Step 3 is, arrange all the food items like rice, curry, etc., etc. Okay, after that you can eat it. Okay, after finishing the complete curry rice and curd rice and all, you can wash your hands. What I mean to say is, if you imagine eating is a program, some of the steps you are following in some sequence. So here every statement is called as instruction. You can imagine like that. In the computer's point of view, every statement is called as instruction. It tells the computer how to do a task. Okay, so every instruction is giving the instruction to the computer. But coming to the eating food, you are following the steps. Similarly, in the computer also, if you want to work with the computer, some programs are required. Okay, that programs are able to do a task. What is a program? Program means what? Set of instructions. Set of instructions which are used to do a task. Okay, for example, let me compare this one with the calculator. If you imagine, calculator is a software. Calculator is having the software. What you will do with the calculator? Generally, some of the basic calculator I am comparing. You are able to do some of the basic operations like addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation, division operation, etc. So here you are having the numeric pad, for example, which is having some numbers and all. So whenever you are supplying some numbers and whenever you are pressing the plus symbol, you are able to get the addition result on the screen. So whenever you are clicking on plus, how the calculator is able to do the addition? So internally, whenever you are clicking on the plus, inside the chip some program was stored. That program is able to do the operation. Okay, coming to the plus, whenever you are pressing the plus button, it is invoking the addition program. What addition program contains? Some of the steps which are used to perform the addition operation. Similarly, whenever you are pressing the minus button, it is able to do the subtraction. Internally, it is invoking subtraction program, which was already fed into the calculator. Inside the calculator, some programming was kept in a chip, electronic chip. Okay, that program is responsible to do this operation. For example, whenever you are pressing the star button by supplying some values into button, so it is able to do the multiplication operations. Similarly, whenever you are clicking on the division symbol by supplying some numbers, so it is able to do the division and giving the division result. So whenever you are clicking on plus, it is able to execute the addition program. so that addition program is able to do the addition operation. Whenever you are clicking on minus, internally subtraction program is working on it. So it is able to do the subtraction operation. Whenever you are clicking on the star, multiplication, it is able to do the multiplication operation. Okay, whenever you are clicking on the division symbol, it is able to do the division operation. So who is doing the operations? Is human being is doing? No. Why? Because inside the calculator, some programs were already kept in the chip. So that program is able to do these operations. So what program contains? Addition program contains addition instructions. Eating program contains eating instructions. Addition program contains addition instructions like A plus B. Okay. So subtraction program contains subtraction instructions. Into program contains division program contains division instructions. So the set of instructions which are used to perform an operation is called as program. So if you group some programs, some related programs, it is called as software. Okay, addition is a program, subtraction is a program, multiplication is a program, division is a program. If you group these programs, 4 programs into a single chip, if they kept inside one device, that is called as calculator software. Calculator software is having some programs. So software is nothing but set of programs. What program contains? Set of instructions. Okay, I think you got the clarity about what is software and what is program. So in writing a C program is, what does it mean? We have to write some of the instructions by following the rules of the C language. Is it or not? So it, in general way I told you eating example, but in the computer if you want to write the instructions, you have to write the instructions in such a way that what a computer can understand. Okay, so right, this is about what is program.